I'm here to share a brief update on something called the NAIC Insurance Data Security Model Law. This law is relevant to those in the insurance industry, so that includes insurers, insurance agents, and other entities. If this is your industry, you should make sure to understand what this is all about. Just as the name implies, the Data Security Model Law is intended to establish standards to reduce the potential damage of data breaches within the industry. These standards are not wide in scope, but they do cover some specific elements such as governance, risk assessments, risk management, third-party risk management, and incident response. The law also lays out some specific requirements for incident investigation and notification. One of the interesting things about the NAIC model law is the way that it's being adapted across the country. A few years ago, the U.S. Treasury Department began urging states to adapt the NAIC drafted law. Otherwise, the Treasury said, Congress would have to act and preempt the states. Well, it sure doesn't seem that the states want Congress to take this one. What we're observing now is that the law is being implemented one state at a time. As of this month, the law has been adapted by 11 different states. These states are Alabama, Connecticut, Delaware, Indiana, Louisiana, Michigan, Mississippi, New Hampshire, Ohio, South Carolina, and Virginia. On top of that, there are 6 states which are currently considering implementing the law. These states are Illinois, Maine, Minnesota, Oklahoma, Rhode Island, and Wisconsin. So what does this mean for you as an insurance industry cybersecurity leader? If you're in a state which has already adapted the law, you need to make sure your cybersecurity program stands up to its requirements. If you're elsewhere in the country, there's still a really good chance the law is going to be coming your way soon, especially if you're one of those 6 states that I mentioned a moment ago. Without a strong program in place, these types of secondary requirements can be difficult to manage, especially if you're already aligning your security program to some other set of standards. If your organization needs help implementing the Data Security Model Law within a proven and structured cybersecurity program, we're here to help. Please reach out to us today so that we can put together an efficient compliance strategy. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing for more cybersecurity content. We hope to speak with you soon.